Hello everyone, welcome back. Yaje here. Today's video is going to be about this plant you see right here. It's a type of garden egg. I'm going to share with you what I've been able to find out about it, but most importantly, I'm hoping that if you're watching this video, you're familiar with this plant and you can share with me some information about it. I'm here to learn about this particular eggplant. So guys, this is the garden egg or the eggplant. I have a lot of them that I planted along the edge of this bed right here. I started them from seeds. I'm going to show you the seed pack in a minute. But if you were just to look at this garden egg from a distance, you might think that it is the African garden huckleberry, the njama I talk a lot about. It looks very similar to the African garden huckleberry, and that's because it's from the same family. It's a type of nightshade. The flowers look very similar to the njama, and so do the garden eggs. The garden eggs are extremely tiny. They are so tiny. These are the garden eggs. I've not harvested them yet. I'm gonna harvest today. You're supposed to harvest when it's green. From what I have heard or read, it is very bitter, but so are the other types of garden eggs. They are bitter. And from what I've been able to read, it looks like this is the Liberian garden egg, also known as Kittley or Kitterly, something like that. Guys, I'm here to learn. If you know something about this garden egg, let me know. Let me know. We're gonna be harvesting, but look, this is how big it is gonna grow. It's not gonna grow bigger than this. So we have some that are like green, and then this other one that is this color. So are you familiar with this garden egg? Let me know. From my research, this appears to be the Liberian garden egg or eggplant. They are PEA eggplants. They don't grow any bigger than this, and I have read that it's extremely bitter. I've not tried to eat these yet. They're supposed to be harvested when they are green like this. We're not supposed to let it start to turn this orange color. So I have read that the leaves are edible. You know, some tribes in Nigeria do eat the leaves of this garden egg. I think it's called anara, or efo Igbo. And then in Liberia, I think the other name for it is Kittley or Kitterly, something like that. Guys, I'm just trying to learn. I'm not familiar with this at all. I'm hoping that if you have some information, share with us in the comment section. I'm gonna try. Let me try this and we'll find out how it tastes like. All right, guys, let's do a taste test. Well, it is bitter, but not as bitter as I was anticipating, quite frankly. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and harvest the garden eggs now. But before I do, I promise to share with you where I got the seeds from. This is the seed pack from OC Afrique. If you're looking for this particular garden egg, this is the exact seed pack. I got some seeds from here. The germination was great. It was not hard to grow. I've not seen a lot of pests yet. I've not done much in terms of pest control. I grew it in soil that I would grow my njama in, which is soil that has been amended with compost, chicken manure, animal manure in general, and it's been producing for me. It's really been producing a lot of garden eggs, which I'm gonna harvest today because I've not harvested yet. Let's harvested some of these. It's easy to harvest because I can just cut the whole bunch